With this trading strategy, it is almost impossible to lose. I tested it on many trading assets, and the results were incredible. The winning ratio sometimes reaches 85% and above. Check out these recent signals on the Bitcoin price chart. The strategy is so simple that even an absolute beginner could use it to make trading profits the easy way. This strategy is flexible and can be applied across multiple time frames, making it ideal not only for scalpers but also for swing traders. Additionally, it's effective across all types of assets with sufficient volume, ensuring broad applicability and utility for diverse trading scenarios. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to build the same setup as well as the strategy's entry and exit rules. Traders, if you enjoy my content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I teach the latest and most effective trading strategies using LuxAlgo indicators in the simplest way possible. Without wasting any time, let's begin the tutorial. To apply the indicator to the chart, open the indicators and search for LuxAlgo signals and overlays by, surprise, LuxAlgo. The Signals and Overlays is an all-in-one toolkit made up of more than 20+ features primarily focused on generating useful signals and overlays to fulfill any trader's technical analysis needs with relevant data. It can be used alongside other forms of technical analysis. However, it was also designed to be used as a standalone toolkit that can fit any trading style. The ideal way to utilize this all-in-one toolkit is to explore through all of the features over time, pick and choose 2 to 3 features best suit your style of trading, and stick with those to create your own unique LuxAlgo trading strategy. Now, before I am going to show you the specific strategy for today's video, let's first understand how this indicator toolkit works. So let's open the settings and go step by step through some of its features. First of all, you can see here beginner-friendly presets to enable multiple features at once within one click. Whether you're a trend trader or you prefer trading against the prevailing trend in the market, this tool has got you covered. But for today's video, we're not going to use the presets. Next, here within the signal mode, you can choose between confirmation and exits, contrarian and exits, or none. The confirmation signals mode enables normal and strong signals to help us traders confirm trends. Basically, they are these up and down arrows that you can spot on the chart. They are not to be followed blindly, which means you'll always want to use at least 2 additional confirmation signals to have enough confluence before entering a trade. When it comes to spotting trade opportunities, these buy and sell signals are very accurate, so we'll choose this option for our strategy. Now, if you scroll through your chart, you can spot here not only the buy and sell signals, but also exit signals. These exit signals will give you potential take profit areas during signals. Blue exit signals are used for taking profit in buy trades, and orange exit signals are used for taking profit in sell trades. Depending on the signal sensitivity you're setting the confirmation signals to, you'll get not only more or less entry signals, but also the appearance of the exit signals will change. For setting the signal sensitivity, I'd always recommend using either the sensitivity recommended within the dashboard or using the autopilot sensitivity. The downside of adjusting signal settings manually is that this task needs to be constantly repeated due to ever-changing market conditions. But the autopilot is a feature that allows you to avoid adjusting signal settings completely. Instead, the currently selected signal generation algorithm adjusts dynamically to the market conditions in order to provide the best signals possible. So for today's strategy, you want to scroll down to the advanced settings and then set the autopilot sensitivity to long term. Understanding the candle coloring feature is crucial for any trader. By enabling this setting, you're not just adding color to your charts, you're empowering your trading decisions. The purple, green, and red candles don't just represent visual aids, they are key indicators of trend strength. This allows you to quickly decipher between normal and strong trends, enhancing your trading accuracy and enabling more strategic entry and exit points. Now, as you've set the candle coloring to confirmation simple, let's take a look at the indicator overlays. You can see here 5 different indicator overlays that helps us traders visualize trends, find reversal points, and get dynamic areas of support and resistance. All of these options are very useful, but as a trader, you do not want to overload your chart with too much information, which can lead to confusion and decision paralysis. Simplifying your chart with just 1 or 2 essential overlays ensures clarity in your analysis. This focused approach helps you efficiently identify key trends and make precise trading decisions without the noise of too much data. By using just these 2, we optimize our view for actionable insights, maintaining a clean and effective setup for real-time decision-making. So for today's strategy, we're going to use the Smart Trail and the Trend Catcher overlays, so make sure to enable both options. The drop-down menus control their reactivity, with higher values returning indication for longer-term trends. We'll leave both by default set to 3. Now, before we dive into the strategy, let's examine one more crucial overlay: the Take Profits and Stop Losses. The TPSL Levels feature allows us to spot real-time take profit and stop loss levels, which can be customized via the drop-down menu to fit our specific trading conditions. This feature, one of the latest updates from the creators of LuxAlgo, offers massive potential for optimizing our trades. For today's strategy, we'll set it to Signal. Let's take a look at our most recent buy trade using this setting. It's already showing a profit, and I've secured my position to ensure no loss. This is the power of using the smart LuxAlgo tools, which have completely transformed my trading experience. I went from feeling overwhelmed by countless free indicators, yet still not seeing profitable results, to consistently securing profits. And now it's all about trading with confidence and precision. Now let's learn the complete rules for buying and selling with this strategy. To initiate a buy trade, 3 conditions must be met. First, a strong buy signal should appear. Second, the smart trail must be bullish, indicated by a blue color. Finally, ensure the trend catcher shows a positive bias. You should open a long trade on the next candlestick if these conditions are present. Regarding the stop loss, it depends on the volatility of the asset or time frame. When the volatility is high, it's better to use the second stop loss level to accommodate larger price swings and protect your trade. And then, for taking profit, you'll want to set 2 targets. Initially, aim for the first take profit level. As soon as the price action hits this level, close half of your position to secure some early gains. Then, let the remaining position run until it reaches the second take profit level. This strategy helps maximize your gains while protecting against sudden market changes. Let's see how this trade performs. Let's go through another buy trade example using this strategy. To start, you need 3 things to line up. First, look for a strong buy signal. Next, make sure the smart trail is showing blue, which means it's bullish. Finally, check that the trend catcher is colored in green. If all these are in place, go ahead and start your buy trade on the next candlestick. For setting your stop loss, think about how much the price moves around. If it's moving a lot, use the second stop loss level to give your trade more room and keep it safe. For taking your profits, plan on 2 levels. Hit the first take profit level and sell half of your trade to grab some quick profit. Then let the rest of your trade run until it hits the second take profit level. This way, you're making some money early and still have a chance to make more if the price keeps going up. Let's see how this strategy works out with our trade. Traders, if you like this trading strategy, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. On the flip side, let's look at setting up a sell trade with this strategy. To begin, you need 3 key conditions to come together. A strong sell signal must appear, the smart trail must be red indicating a bearish trend, and the trend catcher line must also be red, showing a negative bias. Once these are in place, you're ready to initiate your sell trade at the start of the next candlestick. With regard to stop loss, remember to adjust according to the volatility of the asset. For high volatility scenarios, it's advisable to set your stop loss at the second level to better protect your trade. Now for taking profits, employ a 2-tier approach. Aim for the first take profit level and close half of your position once it's reached, securing some gains right off the bat. Then, let the rest of your trade run towards the second take profit level to maximize your potential earnings. Let's see how this first sell trade performs. Moving on to another example of a sell trade, let's reiterate the essentials. Watch for a clear, strong sell signal, ensure the smart trail remains red, and confirm that the trend catcher maintains its red hue. Set up your sell trade on the next candlestick, tailoring your stop-loss strategy based on current market volatility. Use the second level if the price movements are substantial. As for profit-taking, the strategy remains the same. Reach the first take-profit level, close half of your position to capture some immediate profits, and keep the other half running to the second take-profit level. This approach helps balance securing profits and pursuing further opportunities. Make sure to thoroughly understand and backtest this or any other trading strategy you pick up from YouTube. Successful trading is all about patience and perseverance. It's those traders who commit to careful backtesting and adapting based on real-time data who tend to succeed over time. Keep this in mind as you refine your trading approach. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading Forex, cryptocurrencies, and stocks, check out one of these videos.